Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for everywhere where you dey. We don show again as we dey do our program on Love TV about relationship advice. So we are here once again with Mr. Emmanuel. So Mr. Emmanuel, welcome sir.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Emmanuel, abeg, I wan make we look into one small problem wey dey happen inside relationship matter. Wetin dey cause relationship wey be say if relationship no dey last again, problems dey happen inside relationship, like new marriage, before 1 week dem don divorce, dem don scatter, katakata wahala, everything go dey happen inside relationship. Wetin dey make relationship no dey last long again, Mr. Emmanuel? Please, I just want make you advise us more on top the matter.
Thank you very much for that question. You see, it's a very, very interesting topic, if I may outrightly say, because in a relationship, the major thing that happens in life is that anything that you want to go into, any business you want to start, even in the school, if you don't understand a particular subject, that subject becomes a very difficult task for you. If you are not okay with something like, take for instance, mathematics, the moment they mention mathematics, you are sad about it. You see it as a very tedious, a very hard one to attend. But some people derive pleasure in solving equations just because they understand it, they know how to go about it. They love maths. That the same thing is applicable when it comes to relationship. If you don't know what it entails to sustain and to have a formidable relationship, to have a perfect union, if you don't gather the knowledge about it, you will automatically have problem entering into a relationship. I thank God today we are here to look at some impediments, some things that may be problem in sustaining a good relationship. Number one, relationship should come up with a perfect love. Many relationships are collapsing today because you don't have perfect love. Perfect love in the sense that the partner will find it difficult to come up with sacrifice. The understanding of this is a relationship that will last for a lifetime is not there. And before you know it now, in as much as there is absence of this perfect love, the partners find it difficult to coexist. But if there is perfect love, you won't see it as a problem trying to do things in the house. Do you understand? When there is perfect love, a man will not find it difficult to do some certain things. That problem of having this egoism will not be there. You will be able to tolerate your partner. You will be able to accommodate one another's weaknesses because there is genuine and perfect love. Then having said that, you still see something like tolerance. Why many relations are collapsing today is because no one is, the man feel like he is not going to tolerate. And the same thing applicable to the lady side. You find it difficult to tolerate one another. And before you know it, there is a problem. But if both of them can tolerate each other, knowing that there is this gap of having some individual weaknesses, carry everyone along. Don't look at those weaknesses. I tell you, they will be able to go far in that relationship. Then another one is communication. There must be a very good and perfect communication gap. You don't live a pretense life when it comes to a relationship. Some people feel like, oh, I'm trying to come into this relationship, I have to live to his expectation. Because of that now, things that is happening to you, you are not able to communicate it to the other partner. I tell you, you will not be able to sustain that pretense for a long time. It will crumble, it will crash. That is one of the major things that happens when it comes to a relationship. So come up with the way you are. Try to let your partner to know you when you are starting, so that he will know if he can cope with you. This is your life, this is you. and the person will know, okay, this is you, but there is every tendency you can change. He will start trying to groom each other. Before you know it, you have a perfect match. Those ones are very, very important. Then by the time you put all these things together, you now be able to decide, in this relationship I'm going into, it is my responsibility to make it work out. This relationship must work out. When it comes to obedience, you decide within you as the lady, it is my duty to obey my husband, no matter whatever. That is the difference. Like the question you put forward, why is it so pronounced in this very dispensation? If you look at the former times, when gone are those days when you want to enter into relationship, your mother, your father, your parents side will come and tell you, this is our daughter, we are handing him over to you, make sure you love him. In this relationship, we don't want to hear any problem. Those advices will come there. The knowledge will be inculcated into that man's system, and he will work with it. For the lady, they will come up, this is your husband, you have to respect him, we don't want to see you back, don't bring shame to our family, make sure the relationship works out. And before you know it, with that mindset that the family have inculcated in that lady, she will not want to misbehave. She knows that yes, she is going out there to face it with a very bold and clear mind, and you will be very, very conscious to assimilate things, not trying to run back or trying to have a second party where you will be complaining issues or trying. No. So those are still the things that makes relationship to crash in recent days. The moment you have decided to enter into a relationship, you will be able to know the do's and the don'ts. See, your partner, is my partner truly in love with me? By the time you discover these things and you now decided, I'm going into this relationship, I tell you, you will be able to succeed in that relationship.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
With this little way you talk, I hope say our viewers will watch us now, then pick some things inside. So, Mr. Emma,